What's going on? Scott here from White Boy Chinese, the guy with a learning disability who can't learn languages. Yet I prevailed and managed to learn Mandarin Chinese. Let's go ahead and get started with some survival phrases, stuff you absolutely need to know if you want to get around China. First of all, I think it's really important to know the majority of people are going to go shopping in China because stuff tends to be a bit cheaper. So you got to know how to say, how much is it? Okay, so let's go over the tones first. 多,小. 多 is the first tone, 小 is the third tone. These two words put together mean how much. This word on the bottom here means money, which is 钱, the second tone. Now don't kill yourself if you get the tones wrong the first couple times. They're pretty hard, and chances are Chinese people are going to know what you're saying based on that context. It's when you get to upper level Chinese that you really have to be able to hammer out the tones. So if you walk up to a vendor or something and say 多少钱, it'll mean how much is it? And by saying this, they're going to either respond to a number, or more than likely they're going to see that you're a foreigner. They're going to break out a calculator, type out exactly how much it costs, and you'll know what to pay. The next thing we're going to learn is, where is the bathroom? 洗手间在哪儿? And there's lots of different ways to say bathroom, but if you happen to use the one I think is easier, this one over here, 洗手间, I think it tends to be the easiest to say. 洗手 means something like wash your hands, and 间 means closet, so like wash your hands closet. And when you say 手, make sure you really emphasize the sh sound. So if I say 洗手间, it means bathroom. And again, make sure you really hammer out the sh sound. And 在哪儿, if you tack this on the end of any sentence, it means that you'd like to know where it is, or where some person, place, or thing is. So, for instance, if I say Peter 在哪儿, it would mean I'd like to know where Peter is. If I say 洗手间在哪儿, it means I would like to know where the bathroom is. So anything you put in the spot up here, followed by 在哪儿, means that you're applying a question that you'd like to know where that person, place, or thing is. So, for example, you break out your dictionary and you point to, let's say, a museum, and you write, and you say 这个在哪儿? 这个 means this. 在哪儿 is that thing you tack on the end of the sentence that implies that you'd like to know where the first thing that you mentioned is. So by saying 这个在哪儿 means like you would like to know where this is. So if you open up your dictionary and point to hotel and say 这个在哪儿, the Chinese person will absolutely know you'd like to know where a hotel is. And as a side note, 这 or 这, depending on how your teacher teaches you, but I think it's a lot easier just to say 这, which is pronounced exactly like the English letter, the letter J. I think that's enough for today. I'll see you guys next time. Do you want my free Chinese tones decoded lesson, where I teach you exactly how to say each tone so you can understand it and learn it like a normal person? If so, here's what you do. Go up to your web browser and type in whiteboychinese.wordpress.com. When you get to my website, you'll see a big blue box. Click on the box, and you'll see a form. Fill it out, and it'll put you on my mailing list. Once you're on my mailing list, I'll personally send you the Chinese lessons decoded lesson straight to your inbox. Alright, I'll see you there.